Alright, so real quick, I'm making a small, usually when I do a potato salad, I do a lot. But it's not a lot of us here tonight. So I'm going to use sweet relish. I like Mount Olive because to me, this tastes better. You can use what kind you want, but you may not have the same outcome. I usually make a lot. I'm going to just start off with, I like a good bit of relish. I'm going to start off with 2 tablespoons, 2 kitchen tablespoons. I'm going to start off with the same amount of mayo, but hefty. Maybe let's do 3, because it looks like it's enough for 3. Of mayo, and I always use Hellman's. I have used Kraft because Kraft is good. And then for church, we get that gallon that's like $6.98. I don't know if it's Members Mark or whatever it is, but we use that, you know, because we're doing that large quantity. I use French's mustard. For measurements, I'm just going to say I'm using that much. What is that, half teaspoon? So that's all I put in there for this part of it. And like I said, I always weigh way more than this. So what this is 3 large potatoes and 3 large eggs. And I think that's just enough, if not almost too much of mayo. Yeah. Okay, so now for my dry ingredients, I use Tony's. Y'all know I use this on everything. I did get this big thing from Sam's. I'm sorry, I'm in y'all way. I use onion powder. And garlic powder. Fun fact, I do not use black pepper in my potato salad. I can look at this and tell y'all that I probably want a little bit more relish. About that much more, not a whole lot. And you're gonna have to taste this to see if it's like what you want. Just a little bit more Tony's. Not a lot. A little bit more. A little bit more onion powder. And I got one of my church members, every time we have something, he tells his wife, make sure she gets some of my potato salad. And y'all, people say sugar? Yes. It tones down the acidity. And that's about a half of a teaspoon. And that is my potato salad. Simple, easy, flavorful. So what we're going to do here now, like if we serving at church or whatever, I'll go ahead and lay it out like this. And I'll put parsley. And this is chives I got from Walmart one day. They were $1.25. They don't expire until January of 22. If y'all can see that, can y'all see it? The little black line right there. I'm gonna put a little bit over here. It's just for color, and that's what it looks like. That is my famous potato salad.